Hey y'all, welcome to channel FreshQho. So today I'll be showing you guys how I prepare this yummy sticky date toffee pudding. So I'm going to start off my recipe by chopping off my dried dates. These are the unpitted ones. The next step is to just soak them in warm water for about 30 to 45 minutes. For my dry ingredients, I'm taking 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, giving that a nice sift, and I'm going to make sure that I mix everything well together. Alright, so in a separate bowl, I'm adding half a cup of melted room temperature butter. It doesn't have to be melted, mine just melted because of the temperature being so high. I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use 1 white sugar as well, it is not a problem. Also adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to mix that all properly together. I'm now adding 2 eggs to my butter and sugar mixture, and I'm going to give that a nice whisk. Now I'm just adding all my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and I'm going to mix them together. Now it's time for me to add my sticky dates that I've soaked in warm water a few minutes ago to my mixture. I'm pouring all my mixture into a well-greased pan that I'm going to put into the oven at 180 degrees for about 45 minutes. For my toffee sauce, I am taking butter and some sugar into a pan, 1 cup of each, and as soon as that starts boiling or bubbling up, I'm adding another cup of fresh cream. Make sure to pour your toffee sauce all over your baked pudding. Make sure that each and every part is coated nicely with the sauce. I'm serving my pudding with some ice cream today, but you can be as creative as you like. You can have it with some cream, you can have it with some ultra mild or custard.